Get our best year-end deals now during the Hyundai Getaway Sales event at Eastern Shore Hyundai. Don't pay over MSRP. Shop with us and pay less than MSRP. You could even buy a new Hyundai for less than a used car right now. Like this new Sonata for just $25,660 or this new Venue for just $22,615. Get financing as low as 0.9%, savings up to $1,500, and payments with zero down, plus a lifetime warranty, maintenance, and more. Eastern Shore Hyundai, passionate for customer satisfaction.